Welcome to Multilink in Elyria, Ohio. Having been established in 1983, we have grown to a full-blown campus in order to become an end-to-end communication supplier and integrator for optical networking solutions. And with over 250 employees, we are looking to continue to expand and grow our team to meet the demands in our industry. Communication systems are a vital part in solving today's challenges and driving the innovation that will meet the needs of tomorrow. They are constantly evolving, and you can be a part of the technology to lead this industry to future expansion. We provide the fiber optics and network equipment to continue the growth of this essential technology. With products that improve bandwidth and speed, Multilink reaches a global market that brings us all closer together. We are looking for individuals that want to make an impact with the work that they do and also help in creating advanced networks that connect the world. Whether you're an industry expert or a new professional, we will provide on-the-job training to make sure you continue to learn and grow in your career. Join our team in building a brighter future today.